Listen to me, because what I'm about to tell you could be the difference between a retirement spent enjoying your family and a retirement spent hunched over a calculator, drowning in spreadsheets. You have worked far too hard for far too long to let poor financial systems steal your peace of mind. Now, you've asked about OnPay and which accounting software plays nice with it. This isn't just a technical question. This is a question about your freedom. I see it all the time. People reach their golden years, they have a small business or a legacy project they're still running, and they think they can just wing it with their books. They use one program for payroll and a completely different one for their taxes, and nothing talks to each other. Do you know what that is? That is a recipe for disaster. It is a drain on your most precious asset, your time. When your payroll software doesn't integrate with your accounting software, you are forced to do what I call double-entry drudgery. You run payroll in OnPay, then you manually type those same numbers into your ledger. And let me tell you, every time your fingers touch those keys to move a number from point A to point B, you are inviting an error. One misplaced decimal point, one wrong keystroke, and suddenly your tax filings are wrong. The IRS is knocking on your door, and your relaxing retirement just became a nightmare. The fear is real, isn't it? The fear of an audit, the fear of losing money to simple mistakes, or the fear that you're just not tech-savvy enough to handle it all. Stop that right now. You are smart enough to have made it this far, and you are certainly smart enough to choose a system that works for you, not against you. So, let's look at the solutions. If you are using OnPay, which is a fine choice, by the way, you need to know exactly who its best friends are in the software world. First and foremost, we have QuickBooks. Whether you are using QuickBooks Online or the classic QuickBooks desktop, OnPay is designed to sync with them beautifully. This is the gold standard for many of you. When you run your payroll, OnPay sends a detailed journal entry right over to QuickBooks. It maps your wages, your taxes, and even your employee benefits to the right accounts. You don't have to lift a finger after the initial setup. It's clean, it's organized, and it's correct. Then there is Xero. If you've moved your business to Xero because you like its clean interface and cloud-based flexibility, you are in luck. OnPay and Xero are like two peas in a pod. They offer deep integration where you can customize exactly how your payroll data appears in your Xero dashboard. You can see your uncashed checks, you can track your liabilities, and you can sleep better knowing your balance sheet actually balances. But wait, there's more. For those of you who might be using FreshBooks for your invoicing and simple tracking, OnPay has you covered there too. It also plays well with Sage and even specialized platforms like Quicken if you're keeping things very lean. Now, here is your actionable takeaway, and I want you to write this down. If you are currently using OnPay but your accounting software isn't on that list, or if they aren't talking to each other yet, your mission today is to go into your OnPay settings, find the Integrations or App Directory tab, and see if your accounting software is there. If it is, click Connect. Don't wait until tax season. Do it now. If you are using a software that doesn't integrate, you need to ask yourself, is the loyalty to that old software worth the hours of manual labor you're putting in every month? Probably not. We are in the business of simplifying your life. You deserve a system where, when you pay your employees or yourself, the rest of your financial world updates automatically. That is how you protect your wealth. That is how you protect your time. And that, my friends, is how you truly own your retirement. Stand tall, take control of your numbers, and don't let the technology intimidate you. Make it work for you.